Hey everyone, today we're comparing two popular ways to run AI on your computer, Llamafile and Ollama. Let's find out which one fits your need best. Llamafile is made by Mozilla. It's super simple. You can download one file that has everything built in. The AI model and the program to run it are packed together. Just download, click, and it runs. No setup needed. It works on Mac, Windows, and Linux right away. Perfect if you want something that just works instantly. Ollama is different. It's more like a manager for AI models. You install Ollama once, then you can download and switch between many different models easily. It has a simple command line and it handles all the hard stuff for you automatically. Great if you want to try lots of different AI models without hassle. Llamafile wins for absolute beginners. One file, one click, done. No commands needed. Ollama needs a quick install first, but after that, getting new models is super easy. Just type one command. Both are way easier than the old complicated methods. So, this is interesting. Tests show Llamafile can be faster on some computers, especially using just the processor without a graphics card. Ollama is very stable though too, and handles multiple users better. For most people, both will get fast enough for everyday use. Ollama wins for model selection hands down. It has over 100 models ready to download. Want a coding assistant, a chatbot, all available with one command. Llamafile has fewer ready-made options, but you can make your own if you know how. Ollama makes trying different models much easier. For customization, Ollama lets you create custom versions of models with special instructions built in. You can save these and reuse them. Llamafile is more basic. What you download is what you get. For power users who want more control, Ollama offers more flexibility. Choose Llamafile if you want the absolute simplest experience, need one model, or want something portable you can share. Choose Ollama if you want access to many models, plan to experiment a lot, or need something stable for daily use. Both tools are great for different reasons. Llamafile is the easiest start, and Ollama is the best long-term solution. Your choice depends on your needs. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.